Hello dear students, today I am going to explain line by line. Page number 17, try again. King Bruce of Scotland flung himself down in a lonely mood to think. King Bruce sat down heavily and alone, feeling very serious as he began to think about his problems. It is true he was monarch and wore a crown, but his heart was beginning to sink. Even though he was a powerful king with a crown, he was starting to feel very sad and hopeless. For he had been trying to do a great deed to make his people glad. He had been trying very hard to achieve an important goal to make his people happy. He had tried and tried but could not succeed, and so he became quite sad. Despite his many attempts, he failed every time, which made him feel very discouraged. He flung himself down in low despair, as grieved as man could be. He threw himself down in extreme sadness, feeling as miserable as a person could possibly feel feeling as miserable as a person could possibly feel, as grieved as man could be. And after a while he pondered there. I will give it all up, said he. After sitting there thinking for a while, he decided that he was going to quit trying. He decided that he was going to quit trying. Now, just at that moment, a spider dropped with its silken filmy glue. Right then, a spider fell down from above. A spider fell down from above, hanging on its thin silky thread. Hanging on its thin silky thread. And the king, in the midst of his thinking, stopped to see what the spider would do. The king stopped his sad thoughts to watch what the spider was going to do. It was a long way up to the ceiling dome, and it hung by a rope so fine. It was a very high distance to the top of the ceiling. It was a very high distance to top of the ceiling, and the spider was hanging by a very thin, delicate thread. And the spider was hanging by a very thin, delicate thread. That's how it would get to its cobweb home. King Bruce could not divine. King Bruce could not figure out or guess how the spider would manage to climb all the way back up to his web. King Bruce could not figure out or could not guess how the spider would manage to climb the long distance. Page 18. It soon began to cling and crawl straight up with strong endeavor. The spider started trying again, crawling upward with great effort. But down it came with a slippery sprawl, as near to the ground as ever. But it lost its grip and fell back down. ending up right back there. It started at the bottom. It's now the bottom. Its slippery sprawl lost its grip. Up it ran, not a second to stay, to utter the least complaint. It immediately ran back up without wasting any time, not a second to stay, or showing any sign of grumbling, not doing least complaint, till it fell still lower, and there it lay, a little dizzy and faint. It fell ever further this time, and lay there for a moment, feeling weak and confused. A little dizzy and faint, feeling weak and confused. Its head grew steadily. Again it went and travelled a half-yard higher. Once it recovered, it stayed focused and managed to climb a little further than before. Half-yard higher. Its climb now half-yard higher. 'Twas a delicate thread it had to tread, and a road where its feet would try. The path was difficult because the thread was very, very thin, and it was exhausting for the spider to climb. The path was difficult because the thread was very thin. Again it fell and sunk below, but again it quickly mounted. It fell again, but it did not give up. It fell again, but it did not give up. It started climbing immediately, but again it quickly mounted. It started climbing immediately, till up and down, now fast, now slow. 9 brave attempts were counted. The king watched as the spider went up and down, making 9 separate attempts to reach the top. Sure, cried the king, that foolish thing will strive no more to climb. The king thought the spider was being silly and would surely stop trying now. The king thought he surely stopped trying now when it toils so hard to reach the cling and tumbles every time. He was amazed that it kept working so hard and to fall down separately. But up the insect went once more. Oh me, this an anxious minute. The spider tried again, and the king felt very nervous watching it. He is only a foot from his cobweb door. Oh say, will he lose or win it? Oh say, will he lose or win it? The spider was almost at its home, and the king anxiously wondered if it would finally succeed. If it would finally succeed, he is only a foot from his cobweb door. Steadily, inch by inch, higher and higher he got. Moving carefully and slowly, the spider finally made progress. Steadily, inch by inch. And a bold little run at the very last pinch put him into his native court. With one final brave burst of energy, the spider reached its web. The spider reached its web. Bravo, bravo, the king cried out. All honor to those who try. The king cheered, realizing that people who keep trying deserve great respect. People who keep trying deserve great respect. All honor to those who try. The spider of their defeat despair, he conquered, and why should not I? The spider refused to give up. The spider refused to give up and succeed. So the king decided he would not give up either. And Bruce of Scotland braced his mind, and gossips tell the tale. King Bruce became determined, and as the stories say, that he tried once more as he tried before, and that time did not fail. He went back to work, tried again, and this time he finally succeeded. Word meanings: flung, threw himself down, heavily or quickly. Monarch, king or ruler. Sing, here it means to feel sad or lose hope. Deed, an action or task. Despair, complete loss of hope. Grieved, felt very sad. Pondered, thought deeply. Silken filmy clue, a thin shiny spider web thread. Ceiling dome, the arched or high ceiling. Divine, to guess or understand. Ceiling, to hold on tightly. Endeavor, hard work or effort. Sprawl, to fall awkwardly. Utter, to speak or make a sound. Dizzy and faint, feeling weak or lightheaded from the fall. Mount, to climb up. Strive to try very hard. Toils, work very hard. Tumbles, falls down. Anxious, worried or nervous. Native code, here it's referred to the spiders whom the web defied despair, refused to give up even when things looked hopeless, brushed his mind, prepared himself mentally, became determined. Gossips, people who share stories or news.